Get ready, Bitcoin Bulletin fam. We're diving headfirst into a market that's hotter than a miner's rig. Saylor is dropping bombs on Bitcoin's future recovery. Next up, Strategy's treasury moves are raising eyebrows, and HIVE Digital is hitting massive mining milestones. And if that wasn't enough, Fold just dropped a Bitcoin credit card with Visa and Stripe. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Bitcoin's scarcity surge. Saylor predicts year-end rally. /n/n could Bitcoin be entering a new era where its scarcity is an undeniable accounting reality, not just a talking point. Saylor, the executive chairman of Strategy, is sounding the alarm, warning that institutional demand, fueled by ETFs and major corporations, is now outpacing the supply generated by mining. As Bitcoin hovers in the $111,000 to $118,000 range, a fundamental imbalance is setting in, one that could be incredibly explosive for its price. Saylor revealed in a recent interview that companies heavily invested in Bitcoin are buying more than miners are naturally producing each day. This isn't just a short-term spike. A recent study backs him up, showing that companies are buying an average of 1,755 BTC daily, with ETFs adding another 1,430 BTC in 2025. That's a staggering 3,185 BTC a day being pulled from the market, far exceeding the 900 BTC mined daily. This unprecedented scarcity is creating a powerful bullish signal, even amidst recent market liquidations. Saylor is confident that as Bitcoin overcomes current resistances and macroeconomic headwinds, it's poised for significant growth by year-end. He even breaks down institutional buyers into two groups: operational companies investing surplus capital for inflation protection, and true treasury companies treating Bitcoin as digital capital, using it as collateral for new financial instruments. This evolving role of Bitcoin as a foundation for a digital financial system could boost its legitimacy, but also raises questions about supply centralization. And this sustained institutional buying pressure is locking up supply, setting the stage for major price action. But what does this mean for the average investor? We'll break down the potential impact and what to watch for next. /n/n, and speaking of big players, get ready to hear about Strategy's incredible Bitcoin treasury strategy that's got everyone talking. Strategy's infinite money glitch. The Bitcoin treasury phenomenon, /n/n, is there an infinite money glitch happening in financial markets thanks to Bitcoin treasury companies? Publicly traded firms, led by Strategy, are mastering a cycle. Raise capital to buy Bitcoin, see their stock soar with Bitcoin's appreciation, then use that higher valuation to raise even more capital. Unlike traditional companies, these firms function as leveraged plays on Bitcoin's price, with Strategy alone holding over 630,000 BTC. They finance these massive reserves through debt and equity, creating direct links between crypto and traditional markets. It's a self-reinforcing flywheel. Buy Bitcoin, stock goes up, raise more money, buy more Bitcoin. Investor appetite is sky-high, driven by expectations of Bitcoin's continued rise and a persistent demand for crypto exposure that ETFs haven't fully met. But is this the right structure? Analysts question why investors are flocking to corporate treasuries instead of regulated investment funds. This strategy seems to rely heavily on convertible debt, potentially transferring risk to retail investors. Collectively, these companies hold over 1 million Bitcoin, influencing the very asset they accumulate and creating a feedback loop that amplifies price swings. The more successful they appear, the greater the potential for a dramatic collapse if Bitcoin's price plummets. The scale of these operations is immense, with potential implications for index funds like the S&P 500, which could be forced to buy billions in Bitcoin exposure. Regulators are scrambling to catch up, creating a gray area without typical investment fund protections. This isn't just about crypto, it's about corporate finance enabling these loops, with similar strategies emerging for other cryptocurrencies. The path forward likely demands clearer disclosures and treating these entities as investment companies, not just tech firms. /n/n, this intricate financial dance is creating unprecedented market dynamics. But what happens when regulators finally step in? /N/N meanwhile, HIVE Digital Technologies is making waves in the mining world with a massive milestone. HIVE Digital crushes mining milestone, 2% of global Bitcoin network. /N/N HIVE Digital Technologies just announced a monumental achievement, crossing a major threshold in Bitcoin mining operations. Their shares surged over 5% as the company revealed it now controls a staggering 2% of the global Bitcoin network, surpassing an incredible 20 exahashes per second of computing power. This leap forward comes thanks to the rollout of cutting-edge ASIC mining hardware at their new Phase 3 facility in Valenzuela, Paraguay. What's even more impressive? This facility is a 100-megawatt green energy site, powered entirely by hydroelectricity from the Itaipu Dam Hive, is now mining approximately 9 Bitcoin every single day, operating with remarkable efficiency and a healthy 55% mining margin after power costs. They're not slowing down either, with final installations underway to hit a target of 25 exahashes per second by U.S. Thanksgiving. CEO Aydin Kilic stated this is a major validation of their disciplined growth strategy, especially considering Bitcoin's market cap now exceeds $2 trillion. This isn't just about HIVE. It highlights the increasing sophistication and green energy adoption within the Bitcoin mining sector. /N/N This incredible expansion shows the power of green energy in the mining space. But how does this mining power translate into real-world financial products? /N Get ready for this. Fold has just launched a Bitcoin credit card, backed by Stripe and Visa. Fold's game changer. The Bitcoin credit card you've been waiting for. /N Fold is leveling up its crypto game in a massive way. They've officially launched the Fold Bitcoin credit card, built on the robust Stripe issuing infrastructure and leveraging the global Visa network. This isn't just another crypto card. It's a direct gateway to earning Bitcoin rewards automatically with every single purchase. No complex steps required. Forget opening exchange accounts, organizing reward categories, or investing tokens. Fold has simplified Bitcoin for everyone. CEO Will Reeves emphasizes the card's accessibility. Just actual Bitcoin, automatically won with every purchase. Fold isn't new to this, already offering a Bitcoin debit card and crypto gift cards, processing over $3.1 billion and paying out $83 million in BTC rewards. This new credit card, however, marks a significant milestone for Stripe's consumer card issuing business and a major win for Visa's crypto initiatives, as their head Kai Sheffield noted. While other platforms chase multi-token ecosystems, Fold is doubling down on Bitcoin-native financial products, aiming to onboard mainstream users with clean, usable services that don't require crypto expertise. Their previous debit card was a hit with beginners eager to earn before diving deep into crypto, and this credit card amplifies that philosophy. With Bitcoin ETFs gaining traction and institutional interest soaring, Fold's strategic timing couldn't be better, offering a simple, secure way to earn BTC alongside Visa's massive scale. /N This streamlined approach to earning Bitcoin is a huge step for mainstream adoption. But what's the biggest takeaway from all these market shifts? /N That's all for today on Bitcoin Bulletin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social media channels for more crypto insights. We'll see you next time. Saylor predicts a strong Bitcoin recovery by year's end due to unprecedented scarcity. Strategy's treasury model is creating a powerful flywheel effect in the market. HIVE Digital achieved a major milestone, now representing 2% of global Bitcoin mining power. And Fold has launched a user-friendly Bitcoin credit card with Stripe and Visa, simplifying BTC rewards. Stay informed, stay invested. Like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for more. Hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social platforms.